Aloha and welcome to the Joy of Crafting. And this year, according to the lunar calendar, is the year of the tiger. And I happen to love tigers anyway. I just love them. So today, we're gonna show you how to make one of these, a tiger treat bag topper. So let's get started. We have our 3-inch circle, which I cut out from here. And I have my 1.5-inch circles. Well, it's like 1 1/4, I think. There we go. Now I'm gonna actually use my tape to tape my ears in place. And then the little tiger has little circles. There we go. When we make the face, we wanna make sure we have tiger stripes, right? So what I did was I used the paper trimmer to cut a 1/8 inch strip. Now you only need about 3 inches. And from the 3 inches, you measure out a 1-inch piece and you round just one side. And then you've got a 3/4 inch piece and a 1/2 inch piece that you are going to round both sides. I'm just going to use some glue stick. We got his stripes in the top, okay? Next, we want to do the side stripes. So we got 4 pieces of pie. It works out well because this circular part from the circle kind of matches up with the edge of the tiger head. Next, I'm going to put our cheeks. And then I'm going to put on 2 eyes right above. Now the last thing I need is a nose, and you can make, your tiger can have whatever color, but I'm going to just go with a black nose. And I am going to actually attempt to freehand cut a nose, and I'm going to make a heart. So here's my tiger. As a year of the tiger treat, you could put 2 and you could put a lollipop behind. What I did for this one is actually I took a strip of paper, that cardstock that's 1 inch by 3 inches, and I'm just going to roll it. The reason why I did this is I have a bag of candy, and then just put it through here like that. It's okay, you can spread it out. And there you have a very, very simple way of making this now a lunar year of the tiger favor. So wasn't that tiger really easy to make? And like I said, just look around and look for things that you can use around the house. If you need to have something that you need to trace and make a circle. You don't always need to use a Cricut, a punch, just find a jar and trace it, and you can always make something really special, just like our tiger. So I hope you had a lot of fun, and don't forget you can find even more project ideas on our website at benfranklinhawaii.com. You can also find more ideas on our Instagram, which is The Joy of Crafting, and also we have a Facebook it's just Joy of Crafting. Okay, and don't forget, we're on YouTube, so check us out. So thank you for joining us today, and happy crafting! Now, I have to pick up my glue stick. Okay. How come I can't remember the name now?
I got it.
Oh, that's it. Okay.
All right.